In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you add transition to Instagram Reels. To add transition to Instagram Reels, you just have to make sure to follow these simple steps. So before you do it, what you want to do is make sure to watch this video right till the end. So before we begin, make sure to update the application to the latest version. So here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure to open up your Instagram application. While you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. And here, you want to click on the story icon from the top left-hand side corner of your screen. So here, what you want to do is make sure to select the Reels section, first of all, and then go to the camera once again. And what next you want to do is you want to make sure to tap on the circle icon in order to take a video. So for now, I'm just going to take this much. And then I'm going to switch over to the back camera. And then just like this, I'm going to take it up. And once I've actually done it I'm going to click the next button. As I've done it or click the OK button and tap the next icon. Now that you could see, this is how it's going to look like. So what next you want to do is make sure to tap on the edit video icon at the bottom of the screen and click on got it. After which, what you could actually do is you could go ahead and locate transition. So in order to add a transition, what you need to do is, if you cannot find the option, you could simply click on this icon. You could see right in center there is the division between it. This is going to let you add a video either in the front or either in the back. So you just have to make sure to tap on it or click the plus icon, and now from on you could just go ahead and take a video once again and you'll have successfully made the transition. So that's the simple way you could go ahead and do the transition. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.